When floods hit, rescue teams don't just face deep water. They face debris, obstacles, and extremely shallow conditions where traditional boats struggle. Traditional rubber boats perform well in deep water. But when the flood becomes shallow, movement becomes harder. In tight spaces, they require more effort to control, more turning space, and more manpower to maneuver. And when debris like kawayan, branches, or hidden objects hit the propeller, operations can slow down instantly. But the Innovatronix Airboat is built differently. With its elevated propulsion system, there's no underwater propeller to get tangled in debris. But here's where it becomes even more effective. This is just 4 inches of water. And yet, the Innovatronix Airboat keeps moving. No propeller. No entanglement. Less effort. More control. When every second matters, you need equipment built for real rescue conditions. Innovatronix Airboat. Built for rescue, where others can't go.